So many times what we think is compassion is only not scolding anybody, talking very lovingly, and that is only compassion, right? But it is not like that. Compassion means sometimes, some people will not listen to you if you're not firm, if you're not loud enough. Uh, Sometimes you have to shout at children also, right? Now, the some person who's looking at you might say that he's shouting, he's angry. But at the same time, inside you have compassion. Why you are shouting, or why you are chastising the child, or why you are disciplining the child, or it can be an adult also. Somebody is doing wrong. Let's say somebody is doing something which is uh, adharmic, like he is doing something anti-social activity, for example, right? So will you say that, oh, I am compassionate, so I will not defend myself, I will not resist, or I will not teach that person a lesson, right? Yeah, legal system is there, but what if the person is beating a old lady? What will you do? Will just stand there? You will stop him, right? Of course, you will call the police, etc. But till the police comes, you will do something. You will protect that lady, old lady, who's being beaten by this criminal, right? But while you are doing all those things, maybe you are even fighting with that guy, right? Maybe you're beating that criminal uh, in an attempt to protect that lady. You don't hate that person from within. There is compassion within. In your heart, there is no hatred. It is you have compassion for even that person, that miscreant. We don't know what is his background, what are his wounds, whatever. But your duty right now is, well, dharma is to protect that old lady also. So compassion does not mean that you will not engage in any such activity also. Maybe you will have to uh, take up some weapon, or maybe something like a stick or something to beat that guy, to stop him, right? Compassion is an inner phenomena. So that's what in Bhagavad Gita also Krishna is saying, uh, kill the people who are like and on the side of the wrongdoers, people who are doing the wrong things, right? He also had many battles. He defeated Jarasandha many times, killed many people, but all that also with compassion. Because if you leave people who are unjust, and you don't punish them, now we have law to punish them, but if you don't punish them, then they will do wrongdoing more. They will do more wrong things. They will destroy more people. They will kill more people. They will loot more people. They will like uh, create more problems in society. So to have a stable society, we need to punish the people who are doing wrong things. We cannot just say I am compassionate, and I will not uh, harm anyone. Not like that. Unintentionally, this actually they are doing this intentionally. They are creating problems intentionally, and we are on the part of the solution. So when we are not dealing with such people, we are generally compassionate. If somebody is very neutral, needs help, we will be compassionate. And when you have to be in action, sometimes to discipline somebody or some child also, we might speak something loudly. That does not mean that you have anger. There is no anger. That monk who shouted on those guys who were talking in a silent retreat, he spoke loudly with them. but there was no anger, no hatred. There was compassion. So this is what is compassion. Many times people misunderstand this, and we have to be careful that we are clear about this. Compassion is a state of being, it's something within. Some people will walk over you like a doormat if you don't behave appropriately. In a situation, sometimes you have to be firm. Sometimes you have to defend yourself or defend other people or protect other people. So, this is the meaning of compassion.